Aerokinesis tips. Hang the stuff you're practicing with up anywhere you can, especially where there's a fan or a window. Try to observe anything in your daily life that blows in the wind. The trees, leaves, even trash on the street. Imagination and intuition is what leads to your magic. Using aerokinesis involves manipulating something unseen. Be patient with yourself as you start practicing. Wave your arms around. Imagine yourself pushing blasts of wind. You are literally on a journey to be a hero to yourself. Every hero has to start somewhere. Watch as many aerokinesis-related videos as possible from varying sources. Everyone has a unique way in which they practice their craft. Get creative and let your imagination flow. Most importantly, have fun. It raises your vibration. The more you heal yourself, the stronger you get. Let go of all limiting beliefs. Magic is in the fabric of existence itself. We are limitless beings having a human experience. Remember to show yourself the same kindness you show everyone else. Don't be a hypocrite. Peace and blessings, my fellow avatars in training.